Hey, it's me, Keep It Crafty. Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and I made this adorable teddy bear gift idea. So I'm gonna be drawing out my teddy bear first. I'm tracing the plastic heart onto the poster board, and then I'm gonna start drawing the bear around it. So this teddy bear will be super easy to make. It's just a couple of circles. I'm just gonna use bowls and cups to make sure the circles are perfect. For the head, I'm using this big glass bowl. I found some small plastic bowls at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to use those for the ears. I want my feet to be a little bit bigger, so I'm just using a mug. Now that all the circles are done, I'm just going to draw the bottom of the legs. And I'm also drawing in the arms. Once I get everything how I want it, I'm just going to go ahead and cut this out. And once that's cut out, it should look something like this. And now I'm just going to trace the bear onto a piece of foam board that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm using my X-Acto knife to cut the bear out. If you don't have an X-Acto knife, they sell them at the Dollar Tree. I found this faux fur at the Dollar Tree. I'm just gonna hot glue this down onto the bear. I used 2 rolls for this process. And then after I was done gluing everything on, I flipped it over and cut off the excess. And now I'm taking some white faux fur and cutting out the ears, the foot pads, and the mouth. I glued those pieces on with some hot glue. I left a little opening at the top of the mouth so that I can stuff it with some extra faux fur that I had. This is completely optional. I just did it because I didn't want the mouth to be flat. I already had a nose and some eyes, so I'm just going to use those. You can also use buttons or beads. And then I just added these cute little hearts that I got from the Dollar Tree onto the foot pad. Now it's time to add in those gifts. I went with this chocolate bouquet, a necklace, and this heart that I got from the Dollar Tree. I just added some money inside. After I got all my gifts where I wanted them, I got the plastic piece and I just put 3 dots of hot glue on it and glued that down. Then I just cut some arms out of that faux fur. I'm adding some hot glue to the sides and then just gluing the arms on. And then to finish it off, I'm adding this bow. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe so you can always keep it crafty with me. Thanks for watching.